Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I have a product review that I think you're really going to enjoy. We're talking about the MADLIONS Mad60 Mad68 8K mechanical keyboard magnetic switch wired 60%-68% gaming keyboards rapid trigger RGB custom keyboards, and trust me, you're going to want to hear this. How many times have you searched online for the perfect product, only to end up with something that doesn't meet your expectations at all? It's a common problem, and I know how frustrating it can be. Well, the MADLIONS Mad60 Mad68 8K mechanical keyboard magnetic switch wired 60%-68% gaming keyboards rapid trigger RGB custom keyboards is here to change that. This product was designed with the customer in mind: great functionality, durable construction, and a sleek modern design. It checks all the boxes and then some. Now, here's the exciting news: there's a limited time discount happening right now. The MADLIONS Mad60 Mad68 8K mechanical keyboard magnetic switch wired 60%-68% gaming keyboards rapid trigger RGB custom keyboards is available for just $61.73. Yes, you heard that right, only $61.73. And the reviews? They're absolutely fantastic. Buyers from all over the world are raving about it. This product has been shipped to over 40 countries, and customers everywhere are giving it 5-star ratings. So don't wait, click the link in the description to order yours today before this offer ends. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for being here, and I'll catch you in the next video.